If you thought that all these two magic ingredients, lemon juice and coconut oil, do is stimulate hair growth, you are gravely mistaken. When combined, they also fight dandruff, reduce itchiness in the scalp, make your hair soft, protect it from sun damage, and prevent it from thinning and graying. How to use lemon juice and coconut oil as hair loss treatment. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now, massage this mixture onto your scalp and throughout the length of your hair. Then, leave it on for an hour. In the end, wash it off with a herbal shampoo and condition your hair. For best results, follow this routine once a week. Coconut oil is an effective hair and scalp treatment and works with all hair types. It is deeply moisturizing, which makes coconut oil a great oil to use to help with damaged hair, and it can also help to encourage hair growth. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.